I don't believe it.
Yeah, I don't believe it's that far. Yeah, it's not 2 kilometers away. I don't believe that.
And always when I finish the test,
Right. Ah. Yeah. Right. And I don't think it's that far away. It's not 2 kilometers away. That's not what the guy said. We can eat whenever you're ready. I'm always hungry, so. They make the best samosas, of course. It's Indian, right? So it's amazing. And it's all fresh. Like, check this out. Just fresh ones they're making over there. You gonna have one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Spicy?
I love spicy. How much is one? How much?
20. One plate.
So you put the beans in there, can I see?
One plate?
No, let me see what's in there.
Sabji.
Ah, I don't know. Yes. One.
One plate.
Yeah.
Condition?
You wanna have smaller? Do you have a 20? I could borrow 20 from you.
I love the chicken.
Ah, okay. Thank you. So, the street food in Old Delhi. Let's check this out. Ah, you get to have onions and lemon.
I love it.
So this is the first scenes here in India, in Old Delhi. I'm sure there are going to be many more videos that I'm going to be making, but I just wanted to show a little sample of it. I'm going to put my cell phone camera down and eat, and so obviously I'll make a lot more. Whoa, look at you. Okay, where are we going to go? Okay. Oh, over there, in the street corner over there. Okay, what about we stand over there? Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. Okay.
Super delicious.
super delicious. I agree with you. I look forward to trying mine too.
Because yesterday and the last yesterday,
Yeah.
I eat some disgusting food.
Yeah.
I'm super sad. Do you want to try?
Wow. The onions. So fresh. So fresh. Alright folks, so I'm gonna eat that thing and hopefully do some videos later on again. There's gonna be a lot of videos coming from India. I love Indian cuisine, so obviously lots of videos from India. But now, just a little sample of Old Delhi. I'm gonna eat now. Okay, later.